Ethiopian hair. Now you guys already know Ethiopian women are out here slaying the hair game with those long, luscious locks, right? Like what's the secret? Well boo, today we're diving deep into an ancient Ethiopian hair tradition that's been passed down for generations. Butter. Yes, you heard right, butter. We're not talking about just any butter, honey. We're talking about traditional Ethiopian yugur clarified butter that's like magic for your hair. In this video, I'm going to break down the science behind this ancient practice, show you how it promotes hair growth, and give you the step-by-step on how to incorporate it into your own hair care routine. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets to strong, healthy, and absolutely stunning hair, keep watching. Trust me, your hair will thank you for it. Alright, so let's talk about this magical butter, shall we? Now, we're not talking about the butter you put on your toast, okay? We're talking about kaii, a traditional Ethiopian clarified butter that's like liquid gold for your hair. This ain't your average butter, honey. Kaii is made by simmering butter over low heat for a long time, which separates the milk solids from the pure butter fat. This process creates a rich, golden butter that's packed with nutrients and antioxidants. We're talking vitamins A, E, and K, all that good stuff that your hair absolutely loves. Now, you might be thinking, butter in my hair? Won't that be greasy? And listen, I hear you, but trust me on this one. Because the milk solids are removed, yet kaii doesn't leave your hair feeling heavy or greasy like regular butter would. Instead, it absorbs beautifully into the hair shaft, delivering all those amazing nutrients right where they're needed most. This traditional butter is known for its moisturizing and conditioning properties. It's like giving your hair a tall glass of water, quenching its thirst and leaving it feeling soft, supple, and oh so touchable. And let's be real, who doesn't want hair that feels amazing? But it's not just about the feel-good factor, honey. Kaii also helps to strengthen the hair shaft, reduce breakage, and promote healthy hair growth. It's like giving your hair its own personal bodyguard, protecting it from damage and helping it grow long and strong. Now I know what you're thinking. Where can I get my hands on this magical butter? Don't worry, boo, I got you. You can find kaii at most Ethiopian grocery stores or online. Just make sure you're getting the real deal, the authentic Ethiopian clarified butter, okay? And listen, if you absolutely can't find kaii, you can use ghee as a substitute. Ghee is another type of clarified butter that's readily available in most grocery stores. It's not quite the same as kaii, but it'll still give your hair some of those amazing benefits. So, are you ready to experience the magic of kaii for yourself? I promise your hair will thank you for it. And remember, taking care of your hair is an act of self-love, so go ahead, treat yourself to this luxurious experience and watch your hair transform. Alright, now that we've got our star ingredient, the traditional Ethiopian butter known as kaii, let's talk about how to use this magical butter in our hair routine. It's super simple, y'all. Trust me, you'll love the results. First things first, we gotta melt our kaii. This is a crucial step to ensure it blends well with other ingredients. Now, don't even think about microwaving it, okay? Microwaving can destroy some of the beneficial properties of the butter. We want to be gentle with this precious butter, handle it with care to preserve its natural goodness. The best way to melt it is to put the desired amount in a heat-safe bowl and place it over a pot of simmering water. This method ensures even melting, like a DIY double boiler situation. It's easy to set up and very effective. This will gently melt the butter without damaging any of its beneficial properties. Slow and steady wins the race here. Once your butter is melted and looking all smooth and glossy, it's ready for the next step. It's time to add in some extra goodies. These will enhance the benefits of the butter. I like to boost my hair treatment with a few drops of essential oils. They add extra nourishment and fragrance. Rosemary oil is my go-to for stimulating hair growth. It's a fantastic addition to any hair care routine. While castor oil helps to thicken the hair and add shine, it's a powerhouse ingredient. But listen, you can customize your blend with your favorite essential oils. The possibilities are endless. Tea tree oil is great for a dry, itchy scalp. It has soothing properties that can relieve discomfort. Lavender oil promotes relaxation and calms the senses. It's perfect for a spa-like experience at home. And peppermint oil provides a refreshing, tingling sensation. It's invigorating and feels amazing on the scalp. Just be careful not to go overboard with the essential oils. A few drops are all you need to get the benefits. A few drops are all you need. Too much can be overwhelming and counterproductive. Now, mix everything together until it's well combined and you've got this beautiful, fragrant butter blend. that's ready to work its magic on your hair. The texture should be smooth and creamy. But before you go slathering it on your head, let's make sure it's safe for your skin. Let's do a quick patch test, especially if you have sensitive skin. This step is crucial to avoid any allergic reactions. Just apply a small amount of the butter mixture to the inside of your wrist and wait for about 30 minutes to an hour to see if you have any adverse reactions. Patience is key here. You know, better safe than sorry, right? It's always good to be cautious. If everything looks good, you're ready to move on to the next step. Your hair is about to get some serious love. Okay, now comes the fun part. The scalp massage. This is where we really get that blood flowing and stimulate hair growth. Plus, it just feels amazing, doesn't it? So, section your hair to make it easier to work with, and then start applying the warm butter mixture to your scalp. Don't be shy, really get in there and massage it in with your fingertips, using gentle circular motions. As you massage, feel the warmth of the butter and the invigorating scent of the essential oils. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and allow yourself to relax. This is your time to pamper yourself and give your hair the love it deserves. Keep massaging for at least 5 to 10 minutes, making sure to cover your entire scalp. You want to stimulate blood flow to the hair follicles, which will help to nourish and strengthen the hair roots. And listen, if you're feeling fancy, you can even use a scalp massager tool. Those things feel amazing, but honestly, your fingertips work just as well. As you massage, visualize your hair growing long, thick, and healthy. Believe in the power of this ancient tradition and the nourishing properties of the yugur kiba. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to hair care. So make this scalp massage a regular part of your hair care routine and watch as your hair transforms. Alright, so now that you've massaged that luxurious butter blend into your scalp, it's time to let it work its magic. And trust me, this is where the real transformation happens. Now, you can totally rock this treatment as a quick 1 to 2 hour deep conditioning session. Just put on a shower cap, let the butter do its thing, and then wash it out. But if you really want to maximize the benefits, I highly recommend leaving it on overnight. I know, sleeping with butter in your hair might sound a little crazy, but trust me, it's worth it. Just think of it as a luxurious overnight hair spa treatment. To protect your pillowcase from any potential butter stains, you can wrap your hair in a silk scarf or use a satin pillowcase. Satin is gentler on the hair than cotton, so it's a win-win situation. As you sleep, the yugur kaii will penetrate deep into your hair shaft, providing intense moisture, nourishment, and repair. It's like giving your hair a full 8 hours of beauty sleep. And let's be real, we could all use a little extra beauty sleep, right? So, go ahead and embrace the butter, boo. Your hair will thank you for it in the morning. Natural oils. Sulfates can be harsh and stripping, and we don't want to undo all that good work we just did, right? So, always check the labels before you buy. So, wet your hair thoroughly, and then apply a small amount of shampoo to your scalp, focusing on the roots. This helps to lift away the butter and any dirt. Gently massage the shampoo into your scalp, working it through the lengths of your hair. This ensures an even clean without causing damage. Avoid scrubbing too vigorously, as this can lead to tangles and breakage. Gentle is the way to go. Now here's the important part. Rinse, rinse, rinse. Make sure you get all the shampoo and butter out. Make sure you rinse your hair thoroughly to remove all traces of the butter and shampoo. This step is crucial for a clean finish. If you feel like there's still some residue left behind, you can repeat the shampooing process one more time. But be mindful not to overdo it. But listen, don't overdo it with the shampooing. Excessive washing can strip your hair of its natural oils. Washing your hair too frequently can strip it of its natural oils, leaving it dry and brittle. We want to keep that moisture locked in. Once you've rinsed out all the shampoo, follow up with a moisturizing conditioner to restore moisture and balance to your hair. This step is essential for maintaining healthy hair. And there you have it. You've successfully completed the Ethiopian butter hair treatment. Your hair should feel soft, smooth, and incredibly moisturized. Enjoy the results of your hard work. your hair should feel soft, smooth, and incredibly moisturized. Now go out there and rock those luscious locks, honey. Show off that beautiful, healthy hair with confidence. So my loves, that's the secret to strong, healthy, and absolutely stunning Ethiopian hair. It's all about embracing the power of yugur, that traditional clarified butter that's been passed down for generations. With consistent use, you'll notice your hair feeling softer, stronger, and shinier than ever before. And listen, don't be afraid to experiment with different essential oils to create a blend that works best for your hair type and concerns. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever used butter in your hair routine? What are your favorite natural hair care secrets? Drop a comment down below and let's chat. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to my channel for more hair care tips and tricks, and share this video with your friends so they can unlock their hair's full potential too. Until next time, my loves, stay beautiful.